Hey everyone, welcome back to One Step Odyssey. Today I'm going to show you a quick text animation in After Effects using scale and an expression. Let's get started. First, create a new composition. Set the size to 1920 by 1080, frame rate at 30, and pick any background color you like. Grab the text tool and write anything you want to animate. For this demo, I'll type One Step Odyssey and then align it to the center of the screen. Next, open the text properties. Click on Animate and choose Scale. Set the scale value to 0. This makes the text disappear, but we'll bring it back with an expression. Click Add in Animator 1, go to Selector, Expression Selector, then expand it. Here you'll paste the special expression I've given in the description below. And that's it! Your text reveal animation is ready. Play it back and you'll see a smooth, bouncy effect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more After Effects tips.